Hello friends, I hope you all are doing super fine. So today we are going to make a bookmark, and this bookmark is very special, little special, extra special, special because it is having Radha Krishna in it. Yes, you heard it right. That means we are going to draw a Radha Krishna on the bookmark. So the end result would look something like this. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Here I have already sketched out Radha Krishna using pencil. Now I am outlining the Radha Krishna using my favorite marker, which is just 10 rupees in price, that is Luxor CD DVD OHP marker. You can use any marker of your choice, or even use sketch pen, or even simply use a black pen. The outlining is complete. Now I am erasing off any extra pencil marks. It's turn to color Radha Krishna. I am using Faber-Castell pencil colors. You can use Dom's pencil colors too. Both of these brands are not so expensive, as well as the quality is too good. When in need of blending the colors, the blending happens stunningly. For the outer design, I have used Sharpies, oil pastel and Fevicryl 3D outliner. You can skip using any of these materials if it's not available to you. Right now I am using a oil pastel to color the background of the Radha Krishna. Here is the final look. I have made another one as well. I hope you have liked the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.